Hi there, welcome to the second part of the first chapter. We are doing translation from English into Albanian, beginner's level. Make sure you have watched the previous part before watching this video. You can find the video on my YouTube channel. In order not to miss any of the future videos, please make sure you subscribe, and I would appreciate it a lot if you could like the videos and leave comments below, etc. So let's continue with the translation. I think about this trip every day. Mendoj për këtë udhëtim çdo ditë. Çdo ditë, you can also say mendoj çdo ditë për këtë udhëtim. Maybe my mother can help you, can help me. Ndoshta mami im or nëna ime, ndoshta mami im mund të më ndihmoj. Mund të më ndihmoj. Flas me mamin tim, I speak with my mother. In order not to repeat my mother again, I them asaj, I tell her. Dua të udhtoj. So I want to travel. Dua të shoh or shikoj botën. Please speak with my father. Të lutem. Fol me babin. You don't need to say babin tim, it's understood. Also here, mami you can say instead of mamim, or mamin instead of mamin tim. So fol me babin. Maybe with your help I can travel. Ndoshta me ndihmën tënde mund të udhtoj. Sorry. Mund të udhtoj. Okay. Ndoshta me ndihmën tënde mund të udhtoj. My mother loves me. So mami im or mami më do mua. She loves me. She thinks, but por ajo mendon se është e rrezikshme të udhtosh. So it's dangerous to travel. She thinks that my place is at home. Ajo mendon se e kam vendin në shtëpi. So my place is at home. E kam vendin në shtëpi. She thinks that life in England is the best for me. Ajo mendon se jeta në Angli është the best, më e mira për mua. 1 year later, një vit më vonë, you can also say pas një viti, 1 year later, after a year. I visit one big town. Vizitoj një qytet të madh. The name of this town is you can say ky qytet e ka emrin Hull. I guess you spell it like that in Albanian. I meet my friend. Takoj. It depends a male or female friend, but let's say a male friend. Takoj shokun tim. Or I meet a friend would sound better. Takoj një shok. His father has a sheep. Babai I tij ka një anije. Ata udhtojnë në Londër. My friend tells me, come with me. Shoku im më thot, eja me mua. Eja, come, eja me mua. Okay, that was it. So, not that difficult. As you can notice, the text is in the present simple, so the very basic tense. It's quite an easy text. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it. We'll continue with this. That was the first chapter. We'll continue with the second chapter in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.